This is Thomson Business Information, talking about small business issues. What makes the difference between shops that have customers and not? This is an example. Here on the main shopping street in Playa del Carmen, we have an ice bar, a very well-known ice bar here. It's totally empty. There might be a couple outside, but otherwise it's totally empty. If I turn the camera just a little bit, we have another ice cream shop here called Aldo's, and it's full of people. Why is it that two ice shops that are just beside each other, the one have a lot of customers and the other is totally empty? I can't give you the answer. The only thing might be the price, but the price are more or less the same. So what makes the difference? Judge for yourself.